So in the first tutorial we installed Woocommerce plugin, and also we configured the setup wizard of the Woocommerce, and also we installed the storefront theme. Now in this second part of this tutorial series of how to build a best e-commerce website, I will show you that how we can add products in our website. So in products, you can see when we click on all products, because we have recently installed Woocommerce, so we can see there are no products, so we can click on add new products. And when we add product name, like here we can add, like I'm going to add one laptop just for the teaching purpose, laptop model number with the unique specifications. For example, this is the title of your product, and here now we can add product details here, and also product short description we can add here. So what we will do, we will add images to this product. So product image, like set product image, select files, and we have in desktop, like I have this image I will use, and then alternative tag, also text you will also apply, like laptop, the name of the product you can add, and then also add product gallery images, and then upload files, select files, press and hold control and select more than one file. So WordPress media will allow you to add more than one file if you press and hold control, and then click on add to gallery. So these images has been added. Now the price of this product we can mention, like regular price. For example, the sale is going on this product, so like 500 price for instance of this laptop, and the sale price is 400 example. And then here we can click on toolbar toggle, so we can see more options here. Now we can add here as the product description. Before that we will add category. So category is like electronics, and then add new category, and also the laptops, and laptop is the subcategory of electronics. So add new category. So this will show in these two categories. Actually this is one, electronics is parent category and laptop is child category. So I will use epsom.net for just for teaching purpose. That text I will use. So we will click on generate lorem ipsum, and 2 paragraphs I will use for the product description, and for the product short description we will use list like this, and we will add here, and then so the title of the product we have added, and the description also we have added, short description also we have added, product image also we have added, product gallery images also we have added. So now we will publish this product. So once we have published this product, if we refresh the page, this will not appear anywhere. Okay, so now we will go to appearance and menus section of your WordPress. We will set in the menu, so menu name like main menu, and then we can add view all the pages, like home we need, so add to menu, and we need you can see products we cannot see here, so you can click on screen options and then click product categories, and tab products also if you want. So now product categories, electronics and laptops, because we have these two categories, add to menu. And then laptop is a subcategory of electronics, so we can move a bit here, and then now it's showing sub item. Then save the menu. Now the menu should show here. So what we will do, we click on manage locations, and then primary menu should show main menu. Save changes. Now refresh your website, so you can see now the category is showing. So home, electronics, and click on laptop. So you can see now we have one laptop which we created the product, and it's on sale like 500, but it's now $400. So just click on the product title. You can see like if we can also zoom the product, and we can also change the product gallery images. This is the product title, and it's on sale, therefore its price is not $500, $400. This is just for teaching purpose. I used this price, and you can see this is the description here, and a short description with the bulleted list which we used, and this is the detailed description and reviews of the customers we can see here. So users can now add to cart this product, and then they can proceed it for further process. So in this video I have explained about how we can add a simple product. Actually, the product which we added, you can see product data. There are different types: simple product, group product, external or affiliate product, or variable product. So in next video we will proceed our this tutorial series. Thank you very much for watching my video, and also share the video with your friends, like the video, and also leave your comment below. Thank you very much.